Aloha, welcome to Paradise Hawaiian Style. We are at Manoa Falls Trail. Join us today as we take a little walk up in the mountains up here in Manoa Valley. Peaceful, tranquil, quiet up here. Let's see what it's like today. It's usually kind of a muddy hike, but stay tuned. Please like, follow, subscribe, and let's have lots of fun, exciting adventures together. Lots of smells up here. This is the start. It's so tranquil and peaceful up here. Oh, Lion Arboretum, go that way too. But this used to be a Paradise Park. It's very Jurassic Park, like, you know, after the park closes kind of thing up here. Kind of fun. Let's go. Beautiful trees. So that's the entrance to the park there, hence the Manoa Falls Trail sign. But to the left is a Lion Arboretum, which is actually part of the University of Hawaii. And there is parking for that up there if you do that, but I don't think he's welcome up there because it's like a botanical garden. It's actually really pretty, really nice. Haven't been up there in years. And like I said, I don't know if they're dog friendly. So it's kind of interesting, but although there's plenty of chickens up here, we're going to do this one, aren't we? Get a shot of the map here, the trail. You can kind of see where we're at. They've made it very user-friendly nowadays. It's been years since I've been up here, but I can see benches and side areas and rocks and stuff that make it all very doable. You can hear the stream. Aha, see, it is muddy. And this is how you brush your shoes off afterwards. See all the rocks I put down? That keeps it from being too muddy for everybody. It's actually quite nice. I don't remember this covered bridge being here before. But makes good use of it. We're going over the Manoa stream now. The water you hear is the falls we'll be at towards the end. Gee, it's nice and sunny and bright today. Little history here. Let's see how some of the trees that are not native, like a eucalyptus, have sort of taken over. And in the valley, sort of choked out some of the more native trees. I think the eucalyptus is actually kind of a problem because they're not that strong. Oh, and see, these are all the different trails and stuff. We were over here a couple times. It's like prehistoric ferns and stuff. Interesting, huh? See how they put all these nice rocks down? Makes it real nice. It's a beautiful trail. The only thing is it's kind of crowded. Ooh, nice spot where the sun's broken through and dried up all the mud. Nice to hear the water. I think we're actually close to the end here. This guy has been very popular. Very popular. It's a little split there. It's kind of interesting. Come back to that. It was too crowded.
Because so many, if you look at American Idol.
Ooh, a bunch of steps here. Side. Oh, you jumped that whole thing. Wow.
Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
Okay, I'm getting a little winded. He's jumping up on these little railroad ties, jumping over them like a hurdle jumper, the Olympics. Oh, there's a waterfall. Almost there. It's another trail offshoot. Takes you up behind there. I did it.
No ja już sabryk
No, ja w sumie niewiele pamiętam z tego, jak ja się położyłem, to wiesz, od razu środki tam miałem, od razu dostałem, więc...
I used to be able to walk to the edge there and jump in the water, but no more. On our way back down, leaving the falls, one little sneak peek there. We're heading on our way down. He just jumped over that tall wall, no problem. Can you believe it? Crazy dog. He's ready to go. Watch him jump down that. You gonna jump over that, or you gonna take the roundabout way with me? See, I told you. How you doing, old man? I'm the old man. You're the young man. You're flying down these steps without me. Came from up there. When the wind's howling, these bamboo trees make a beautiful sound. Oh, that's very Raiders of the Lost Ark over there. That enough?
I want to take a picture.
We're gonna take one.
Oh. How you doing? Good boy. I'm in a storybook forest of these tall trees. Which towards the end, going past the bridge, prehistoric trees and ferns. Very Jurassic Park. Ooh, that tree fell down. Look at that. Wow. See, that's those eucalyptus trees. They're actually not that strong. Well, it looks like that's fallen a long time ago. But still. There's a picture of Kohlrabi right there. And that's where we just were. Kind of nice to hear the sounds. Good boy. Can't remember what was here before. If it was kind of bridge it was or what. We made it. Oh, there's some flowers blooming. If you go on that other trail, you can see plenty of flowers. The gardens. Desi has to get a service dog license for that one now. Back towards the parking lot. We're going to go to the upper parking lot so we can go across the bridge. You can see the rooftop bridge over there. Let's go that way and check it out. This used to be Paradise Park, and before COVID there was a restaurant that opened up here, but didn't make it through COVID. It's an interesting space. It's too bad. But they have this little sky bridge here that still works, so let's check it out. Because all that's left of Paradise Park. You used to be able to walk around here. Remnants of the old buildings. Sure, maybe they'll develop this area into something again, but did have a fun restaurant up here for a while, and that was part of Paradise Park, and then it was Tops. Hopefully someone will come around and do something. It's like the Jurassic Park in the aviary. It was a roundabout thing. Gosh, Paradise Park closed in the 90s, I think, or the 80s. It's been so long. There's some archway there left over. Nature's claiming it back. This must be, look how pretty that is. Oh, they had like a little snack bar in here and stuff, huh? Oh, it's so nice. Oh, look, there's a little gift shop there and everything. I had no idea they did all this up here. Little art gallery area. Wow, good for them. I didn't realize this was all up here. So pretty. Oh, they must be a halal that meets up here and does the hula and stuff. I had no idea. Ah, there's the falls we were just at, and then a home. Wow. They cleared it away, but it's all grown back now. Oh, when it rains, it must be more than one fall. One of them actually is the arborarium, and then the one we went on. Nice. Hey guys, hope you had fun today. We're almost at the end of the walk. I just wanted to say aloha. Thanks for joining us. Please like, follow, subscribe. Help me build these channels and we'll have lots of fun, exciting adventures together. All right, guys, until next time. Aloha.